The one question that popped in my head, and it came up from our first conversation regarding some of my 1031 exchange investors, was the concept of saving a failed 1031 exchange. Can you kind of explain that? That's pretty interesting.
Yeah, great question. Yeah, we can save failed 1031 exchanges, and we've saved many failed 1031s, and we're seeing more and more and more of these. Okay, so back to remember the guidelines for 1031. It's 45 days to identify, 180 days to close. And so let's just say it's day 170, and your properties aren't going to work out. There's no chance of closing them. What do? Well, we have QI companies, qualified intermediaries, who will cooperate and have the funds sent to the trust. Now we add some language into the exchange agreement that seller has the to the right. It's called defeasance language, the right to be able to move into the trust versus just taking actual receipt. And so yeah, that's it. So that's the key. And like escrow at close, instead of sending it to you, Dwaine, directly, they can send it to the QI, or they can send it to the Deferred Sales Trust. Now, once it's with the QI company, what do? They can send it to Dwaine, or they can send it to a Deferred Sales Trust if the other options of the properties don't work out. The key is you need to work with a QI company who will cooperate, because not every QI company knows about this or has approved of it for whatever reasons they have. But personally, I send all of my deals to a QI company to give both options for all of my clients, just in case, right? Because and also, here's a little caveat: it doesn't take one of the replacement properties. It's not like you're identifying a Deferred Sales Trust, therefore you only have two slots left.
Mm-hmm.
So there's no downside to having it as an option. Only upside. And remember, we only charge if you use the trust. So everyone, if I'm in their shoes, should have this as an option. Should have it ready to go just in case.
You have just listened to another information-packed episode of Capital Gains Tax Solutions with Brett Swarts. We hope you enjoyed today's show and found it helpful. Visit capitalgainstaxsolutions.com to access the show notes and to access more resources. Don't forget to leave a review and join us again next time.